What's up everyone? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to take a look at the St. John's area. There is a lot of construction going on over there. Lake Okahumpka Rec Center, or the Okahumpka Rec Center. They're doing a bunch of stuff out back of there. It's only the fourth day by the time you're watching this at least of 2022. And already a lot has happened. Betty White passed away. John Madden passed away at the end of 2021. That's insane. But I will end this on some good news before I send you to the video. Obviously, we went on vacation to the beach. The beach was nice. We got one day of sun, quite a bit of rain, a lot of man-o-war jellyfish. So if you're going to the beach, I would suggest not going during this time of year, December, January, because of the man-o-war and the rip current and all that kind of stuff. But the Packers are the #1 seed in the NFC. So road to the Super Bowl goes through Green Bay again this year. I will say, as a Packer fan, I'm pretty impressed by their defense, and I think this is going to be their year. Typically I wouldn't say that. I'd be a little nervous about defense or something, but this year they're pretty good. So we'll see how that plays out. I'll probably be doing a crying intro one of these days about the Packers. Hope you enjoy the video. Good information out there about St. John's, and yeah, enjoy it. The villages of St. John is along the southern edge of Lake Okahumpka. It actually wraps around the edge from the Lake Okahumpka Rec Center all the way to the edge of the lake where it turns to the north. St. John's is centrally located by Brownwood Square and has quick access to the Water Lily Bridge. Just south of the village runs Megason Road and the Florida Turnpike. There isn't any access to the Turnpike. However, you can get on in the Wildwood area at the Wildwood exit. You can also get on at 407, but you'd have to go a roundabout way to get there. 470. Now you can see where they're continuing and doing construction, interestingly, starting in the middle of the village and building out to the east and west. Construction has definitely ramped up through the rest of the villages the last few months. With the industrial park and Rainey's construction under the control of the developer, supplies are easily attained and production is crazy right now. I have been seeing so many contractors and subcontractors entering and exiting the area. Pretty much at every single house, there's someone painting, doing drywall, plastering, electric, putting in gas, whatever. There's almost somebody at every single house doing something. Currently, it looks like this in St. John's, Richmond, Hawkins, basically all over any new area that they're building out. It's really impressive. Typically in the past, when I was doing these videos, I would see them only building in one area, and with the economy that they've been talking about, there's definitely no shortage of work or laborers in this area. It's fantastic to see. The only thing I am not happy about is the traffic, obviously. Now you can see where the water pumps are in the lake, as well as running it directly to water bladders on the edge of the community. This is something new I haven't seen before, and I assume that they're using these bladders to move water from one area to another, whether it's in this village or it could be a different area like Richmond or Hawkins. We used water bladders actually when we were overseas in Iraq and Afghanistan for reclaimed water. So it's pretty interesting to see. Like I said, that's the first time I've seen it used in the villages. If you do know what they're using those water bladders for, please let me know in the comments. I'd be happy to see that. They have also built out this dirt-looking pier, which should be used for the paddle boarding and kayak launches. When this is all complete, I'm really interested to see how it comes together and how much it's used by the residents in the area. Also what options they will have for the residents and how it will all come together. Is it going to be rentals? Are they just going to sign them out? Day rentals, half day, etc. Are they going to be able to go all the way out in the lake, or are they just cutting it off in that where that yellow area cuts it off right there? I'm not really sure. This is actually the Okahumpka Rec Center here. You can see the construction being done on that. The building's coming together pretty well. This is where you'll be able to take those kayaks or paddle boards and whatever else they're offering and take them out on Lake Okahumpka. This is where that dirt pier is that they're building out in the back that I just showed. And then you have a smaller building off to the side. This rec center will have all the bells and whistles. It's in between Richmond and St. John's. Okay, so let me give you the positives and the negatives of St. John's Village as I see it. Number one, positive, I'm going to say if you like water activities, St. John's is going to be the place for you. There is the trail around the village, of course. However, I'm going to suggest probably during the summer months when it's warm, you're going to be dealing with mosquitoes coming off of the lake in that swampy area in between and where the trails are. I know Chitty Chatty has that problem, Bradford and St. Catherine, and that's just a marshy area around there. It's Lake Okahumpka's a lot of water to deal with over there. Another positive would be centrally located, obviously, by Brownwood. I talked about that. Being by Brownwood and close to the Water Lily Bridge, you're also going to have the Richmond pitch and putt to keep you entertained. The problem is you're kind of landlocked, and I say landlocked, obviously, it's Florida, so if you drive an hour and a half to 2 hours, you're going to the beach. But it's going to take you a little longer to get to the turnpike than it would if you lived in an area that had open access to it. You do have these power lines running straight through the western or eastern side of St. John's, and then Continental Country Club bumps up right to it on that other side as well. I mean, it's not right on the other side, but it's through the trees there. Overall, I like St. John's. It's a nice area. Little small area. It's a little too close to the turnpike for me. Noise-wise, I think you would get some of that. And with the increased amount of traffic, now they're talking about taking the turnpike all the way into Citrus County, I believe. Further than into Wildwood, you're going to see even more traffic going down the turnpike. And just judging by where I live currently off of I-75, that doesn't bode well for anyone. As always, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did and got some good information, give us a like and a subscribe. I know that 68%, we have brought it down a little bit, 68% are not subscribed, so I appreciate it if you subscribe. I don't have to cry myself to sleep at night. And as always, I will see you in the next one.